Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Miss V here today. How's everybody doing? Today in this video, I'm going to be participating in a challenge. And this challenge is called Christmas in July. Yes, I said it, Christmas in July. I know it's too early for some of you guys. But for those of us who are creators and love to do DIY, this is perfect. Because we can go ahead and have a lot of our items already done. So by the time December comes, we can just enjoy them. If that's something you're interested in seeing, stay tuned. So yes, so as part of this challenge, Becky from Painting the Roses Red and Cheryl from Cheryl's Place has put out an open invitation and asked us to do something pertaining to Christmas. You can do a Christmas haul at the thrift store or anything related to Christmas or Christmas DIY. I guess if you wanted to, you could decorate for Christmas in July. That's what you wanted to do, but Miss V not gonna be decorating for Christmas, not in July. But anyway, I am going to have a Hobby Lobby shop with me video, and I'm going to be doing a DIY. And what will I be doing? Glad you asked. So I'm gonna make me a swag to go on the top of my TV count, what you call it, entertainment center in the living room. But anyway, before I do that, I'm gonna go ahead and show you the items that I'm gonna be using. Some of the items I already had. These are some, I don't know what they are, but my sister gave them to me. She got them in that $1 basket from Dirt Cheap. And so I thought these would be great to make a swag with. But the only thing, they got these thick stems, and I don't know. So y'all stick with me. I'm gonna see how this turns out. Anyway, I got two of these. I'm gonna use two of these. I'm gonna use this foam that I already had. It came from the Dollar Tree, and I pulled out of my Christmas stash. I'm gonna be doing rose gold this year for Christmas. I had rose gold last year, but I'm gonna be focused more on rose gold this year. I pulled out my beautiful rose gold butterfly that I got from Hobby Lobby last year. I'm gonna be using him or her, whichever sex the butterfly is. And I purchased these little leaves, rose gold leaves, about 6 years ago at Michael's for like 10 cents. And I've just never used them. So I'm gonna use these also. I have 3 of these. So I'm gonna get everything together. And one more thing. Oh, I did, when I did my shop with me at Hobby Lobby, I did purchase some rose gold ribbon. It was $9.99. Of course, I used my 40% off and paid $6.99 for it. And it is 30 feet long. So I should be able to get me a nice size bow out of this. So y'all stay tuned. Let me get everything together and start assembling this swag. Okay, the first thing I did was push this stem through the foam. It was a little tedious. Had to force it in there because these stems are so thick. So I got that for the base, because see, I want to be able to just sit it like that. Then the next thing I'm going to do is place these. I'm just doing it as I go, y'all. I don't know how it's going to turn out, but we're going to see. If I mess up, y'all can see it, because you know this channel, my channel is about life. And in life, you're going to make mistakes. So I'm gonna put these 3 on. I have 3 of them. I don't know if I'm gonna use all 3, but just gonna slide these in the foam. That's what we got so far, and I fluffed these little stems out. So that's what we got so far. Let's see how this gonna turn out. Then I'm thinking I want to put one right there, but I don't know how this gonna look. I don't think that's gonna look right. We'll do this. Then I'm gonna put my butterfly, but I'm gonna have to break this. Unfortunately, I hate to break my stem. Or maybe I bend it back. Let me see. Let's see. Let's see what we can do. I'm gonna play with this butterfly and I'll be back. Okay, so I didn't have to break my stem. You can see I bent it. So This is what we got so far. I guess y'all saying, Miss V, what's going on? This looking crazy. I know, it's looking crazy to me too, but hold on, y'all. Gotta be patient. So that's why I got this big beautiful bow. I'm gonna cover all that up. Just make me one big beautiful bow. And let's see. So since this tutorial is not about how to make a bow, I'm gonna go ahead and make the bow off camera, and I'll be back. Okay, everybody, I'm back. This little project was tedious. I went ahead and took everything off of the phone because it was hard for me to cover the phone up with the bow. But this is what I have. So I put everything back together, and I used some floral tape this time. And this is what I have. So this is my bow that I just made. I'm just gonna add it to the middle. And I got to get these leaves right. They won't lay right. Got to get them sitting right. It's gonna look something like that. And then I'm thinking about adding some ribbon along the sides. But anyway, whatever I decide, I'll show it in the next clip. So I want to go ahead and thank Bekki from Painting the Roses Red and Cheryl's Place for hosting this challenge. And I'll have their links and the playlist in the description box. This is Miss V. I'm gonna continue to show you love and help you save money. Thanks for watching.